Dot Clubbers, it's Talia and I'm here for another fun Dot Club unboxing video. I have both color options with me right here for June's Dot Club dots, the blue and the white. I don't know which one's actually in which one because I haven't opened them yet, but I can't wait to open them up with you. So go grab your Dot Club box and let's unbox them together. If you're watching this and you've not received your dots yet, that's totally okay, but you might want to pause this if you don't want to ruin the surprise because I'll be showing them on camera. If you're okay with ruining the surprise, then keep watching and we can celebrate what we're getting this month together. I'm so excited. So let's get to the unboxing. So every month we get this gorgeous box, which I can't wait to open. And we get a fun ride-along card. I love the ride-along cards. They're always so encouraging. It says, "You've totally got this." And girl, you do. You totally got this. Also, we have a Style Dots calendar on the back showing all the upcoming events and dates happening in Style Dots so you don't miss out on any sales or promotions or just fun events that we're putting on. So make sure to add these to your calendar so you don't miss out on any of the fun. And we have this great watercolor tissue paper and a sticker. So I'm going to open it up and see what's inside. I'm excited. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous. Oh, I love this. Okay, you're gonna love it. It's the white option, and look how stunning that is. I'm gonna put dot vision on so we get a closer look. Look at this. I love it. That white enamel is just stunning, and then those AB crystals are just adding such a nice sparkle to it. It's really like a great neutral piece for the summer because it has that like white, light, airy look, but then also those AB crystals are just so colorful and fun. They pull out any color in your outfit and just twinkle and like in the sunshine or in any lighting. I love this. This whole design is gorgeous. Wonderful job, Claire. This is absolutely fabulous. So these are the white ones. I'm going to go ahead and open up the blue because I'm really excited about those ones. So again, we have that ride-along card, and I'm going to go ahead and open this. Oh my goodness. I love these ones too. They're so much fun. Okay, I'm going to put Dot Vision back on just so we have it ready to go. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I think it has some amethyst, like light amethyst crystals in there that are just so fun as well and really sparkly. I like how it's like all a solid tone. And then we have that amethyst enamel, and it's just like stunning and kind of reminds me of like a summer sky, which is perfect for this season. It would look so cute with some like pink or coral. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to wear these. They're so much fun. I'm going to go ahead and show you them side by side. Look how fun they are. I love them. So comment below which ones you got. I think they're so much fun. I can't wait to wear them. Also, if you're watching this and you love Dot Club, like, girl, start telling your friends because you can earn free jewelry. If you tell one person about it and refer them to Dot Club and they're a part of it for more than 3 months, that you start earning free jewelry after that. And the more people you tell, the more free jewelry you'll get. So you can learn more about that on our website, but definitely start telling people about it so that you can be a part of that program and just getting additional bonuses for being a part of Dot Club. And I'll see you again for next month's Dot Club unboxing. Bye, ladies.